In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Logs plugin in Obsidian. The Logs plugin is a useful tool that helps you automatically track activities, note changes, and other events within your Obsidian workflow. It can help you maintain a history of your work and make it easier to review progress over time. Without a logging system, it can be difficult to remember when updates were made or track the development of projects and notes. The good news is that the Logs plugin provides a simple way to record information automatically and keep important activity organized in one place. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to install the Logs plugin, configure its settings, and start using logs in your Obsidian vault. So let's get started. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Click the Settings icon in the lower left corner of the application. Next, select Community Plugins from the Settings menu. If Community Plugins are disabled, click Turn on Community Plugins. Now, click Browse to open the Community Plugin directory. In the search box, type Logs. Locate the Logs plugin in the search results and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Enable. The plugin is now ready to use. Next, open the plugin settings to review the available options. Depending on your workflow, you can configure how logs are created and where they are stored within your vault. Some users prefer to keep logs in a dedicated folder, while others organize them alongside related project notes. After configuring the settings, begin using Obsidian as you normally would. The plugin will automatically record information based on the options you selected. You can open your log notes at any time to review activity and track changes. This can be especially useful when managing long-term projects or monitoring ongoing work. As your vault grows, logs can provide valuable insight into your workflow and note-taking habits. In most situations, the default plugin settings are sufficient to get started. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the Community Plugins directory. Second, search for and install the Logs plugin. Third, enable the plugin and configure its settings. And finally, review your logs to track activity and monitor progress. Remember that logs can help you maintain a history of important actions and changes within your vault. They are especially useful for project management, productivity tracking, research documentation, and personal knowledge management. Keeping organized logs can make it easier to review your work and understand how your projects evolve over time. Taking advantage of automated logging can save time and improve overall organization. And that's how to use the Logs plugin in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of Obsidian. If there's another Obsidian feature or plugin you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.